Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to your own channel AI Training Official Views. Today we are going to learn how to do initial settings in 3ds Max. It doesn't matter which version are you using, the process will be quite similar. So what you have to do is simply watch the video and try to observe the things that I am telling you. What we are waiting for? Time is money. Let's get started. So viewers, first of all I am going to discuss unit setup. Okay, simply go to customize tab and in the bottom you will see an option that is unit setup. Simply open it, click on unit setup. Okay, here we have three options. Okay, at first we have metric, then we have US standard, and in the last we have custom. Okay, now you have to select any one of these three options out of these three options. Okay, so first we have metric option. Now if you want to work in millimeters, in metric we have different option. Okay, if you want to work in millimeters, centimeter, kilometer or meter, you will select metric from there. Okay, are you getting my point? Whereas in US standard we have different inches and feet combination. Okay, so if you want to work in feet, inches, fractional inches, decimal feet versus fractional inches, so you will select US standard from unit setup. Okay, it's all about your requirements, in which unit you want to work or you want to design anything in 3ds Max. Okay, on third we have custom option. So custom is same as US standard and metric. In custom we have feet, miles. If you want to work in feet, miles, millimeters, centimeter, meters, kilometers, you will select simply custom from there. Okay, so basically there are three options and you have to select any one of these three. Okay, yes. Now in last we have lighting units in the bottom. So lighting units will be international and American, so I suggest you to select international and press OK. Okay, so this is all about unit setup. Now moving to project folder. Anytime when you start working on 3ds Max, you have to make a project folder so that your all files will be stored in it. Okay, now before making project folder, at first you have to set the preferences. Okay, now go to customize, go to preferences, and then go to select files. In files we have the option convert local file paths to relative. It is by default untick and you have to simply tick mark it. Now what this means, basically this will help you when you move your project folder from one system to another. Okay, it will create a problem if you untick this, but if you tick mark this step, it will help you when you move your project folder from one system to another. Okay, now press OK. Now let's create a project folder. Simply go to file menu, and in the file menu we have an option that is set project folder. Simply click on them and select the desired folder in which you want to save your project folder. So I'm going to save it to desktop. Click on one, change the name, anything you want to write. I will write 3ds Max project 1. Okay, project 1. Okay, now click on make new folder. This will make a new folder on your desktop or anywhere you want to save. Okay, click on OK. Now let's check where we have saved our project folder. So let's check where it is. Yeah, here it is. So this is our project folder in which all our files will be stored. Okay, are you getting my point? So viewers, this is how you will do initial settings in 3ds Max. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.